I'm also from Powell. These are my uncles. Okay. I've, yes. I've also had the opportunity to represent them in court, to handle many of the land transactions for the estate. So basically, I am the lawyer of the estate of the late Yachoni Ojwang. Fortunately, none of them has come to say they don't know Yachoni Ojwang. Okay? Fortunately also, none of them has come to say Yachoni Ojwang does not have land there. Okay? But I wanted them to be honest with themselves. Yachoni Ojwang had cattle. 5,000 heads of cattle. You cannot, as an adult, come here and say the land of Yachoni Ojwang was 5 to 10 acres. Let us be honest. Even under the agricultural regulations, it's a requirement that to keep one cattle, you need what? 1.5 acres to keep one cattle. So for you to come here and say Yachoni Ojwang was occupying 5 to 10 acres, let us behave and be adults. Okay? Now, I particularly wanted to respond in respect of what the chairman, Area Land Committee, was saying. Okay? Fortunately also, he said that it is his secretary or his worker who did these documents. Okay? You see, these people here, they are not stupid. They are not mentally ill. Let us take them as reasonable people. For you, a mature, adult, retired chairman of the Area Land Committee, you must hold some, you must hold some respect for yourself. Madam Registrar, the process of doing a visitation of the Area Land Committee, that is the inspection, it is not a single individual process. And that is why there is a list. There is a list of persons who are there. Let us not take it like it is a one man coming here to deny that this thing did not take place, and so we take it that didn't take place. It's not proper. Several people attended, neighbors were there, his committee and himself was there. Okay? Now, ever since the alleged inspection was done, has this man ever gone to police and say, my signature was forged? This chairman. And what became of the case? You know, let us be serious. No. I am protected. You may not love me, but that is a process. Later on, some of you will appreciate this process. I would like to mention particularly, let us, we who are in the process of guiding human beings, guiding people, in the process of land registration. I heard some of you were talking about Ojwang acquired this land. It is not, Ojwang is not acquiring. Ojwang is seeking to register. Okay? We are not here for a process of acquisition. We are here for a process of registration. So, you, the members of the land office, I can never educate you on what you do because you know. But I want you to take pride. Take pride. Okay? We have presented the neighbors. They have told you we are the neighbors. Okay? It has brought concern to you that certain people went and removed markstones which were put. That will rekindle something in your mind that maybe we need to do a physical visit. Okay? A physical visit. Madam, land is a source of livelihood. It is not a joking matter. So we should understand that if somebody is coming from a completely different area, what is his role that influences and stops someone in a particular area from getting title? There is no way this land we are talking about touches the home or the land of Lakwa. There is no way. So what is his interest? Is it a political interest? Is it a political interest? Let me tell you, if it was a question of mobilization, let me be honest with you, if it was a question of mobilization, we could mobilize equally as many people. But we are looking at a particular gist of complaint which has been brought by Lakwa. Does it affect the titling of this process? I'm not a politician. I'm not going to come and talk politics because I want some form of popularity. I don't. But I want the particular complaint to be handled in respect of that complaint. Is it an actual complaint? Is it something else which is stopping a process? This must be understood. Madam Registrar, I will honestly, you will allow me and forgive me, okay? At this stage, if I were you, I would not form an opinion until I have a physical inspection of this land. That is what I have to say.